Visualization, also known as visual representation or visual imagery, refers to the creation of visual images or representations of data, concepts, or ideas. It involves using various graphical elements, such as charts, graphs, diagrams, and maps, to present information in a visual format that is easy to understand and interpret. The primary purpose of visualization is to enhance understanding, communication, and analysis of complex data or abstract concepts. By visually representing information, patterns, trends, and relationships can be more easily identified and comprehended compared to raw data or textual descriptions. Visualization can be applied in various fields and domains, including science, engineering, business, education, and many others. It plays a crucial role in data analysis and exploration, aiding in the discovery of insights and patterns hidden within large datasets. It can also be used to communicate ideas, present findings, and support decision-making processes. With the advancement of technology, there are numerous tools and software available that facilitate the creation of visualizations. These tools provide a range of options for representing data, such as bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, scatter plots, heat maps, and more. Additionally, interactive visualizations allow users to manipulate and explore the data dynamically, enabling a deeper understanding of the information presented. In summary, visualization is the process of representing data or concepts visually through graphical elements, enabling easier comprehension, analysis, and communication of complex information.